Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to show you how to connect Microsoft SQL with Visual Studio. Let's see how to do that within the 3 to 2 minutes. You can see in my Microsoft SQL, I have already created database and tables. You can see here, I have created 5 tables. The first one is factory table, the second one is child center table, the third one is farmer table, the fourth one is collection table, and the last one is product table. You can see here I use some of commands to accessing my tables. Here I am taking the farmer table. When I giving the data into my Visual Studio form, the data will automatically save my farmer database. Before that, I am going to show you what are the data in my farmer table. You can see here the farmer table is empty. Now I am going to open the Visual Studio. This is I created form for my farmer table. When I giving data into my farmer table form, it will save automatically in my farmer table in Microsoft SQL. Let's see the coding. This is C# coding. You can see here. Before explaining the coding, I am going to show you how to connect Visual Studio with Microsoft SQL. You can see the left side Server Explorer, and below that you can see the data connection, and click the data connection and click add connection. The data source is, this is correct, Microsoft SQL and SQL client. The second one is server name. Let's see how to find the server name, and open your Microsoft SQL. You can see the left side the server name, and click the server name and click disconnect and reconnect that. You can see here the server name, and copy that, then connect, then open your Visual Studio and paste the server name. The authentication is Windows authentication, that is correct, and click the Trust Server Certificate, then select or enter the database name. Let's see how to find the database name. Open your Microsoft SQL. In my case, my database name is Pure Mill. You can copy your database name and open your Visual Studio, then paste your database name, then click OK. Here I have successfully connected with Microsoft SQL and Visual Studio. Now I am going to explain the coding briefly. You can see in the first one is SQL connection and new connection, and this is my source of Microsoft SQL. You can find this source when you press the database. You can see here the source and copy the source and paste it here. Here I have already pasted. The second one is connection open. The third one is SQL command and new command, and insert into farmer. This is my table name, and values are farmer ID, name, location, contact info. You can see the same values here. You can see the same values: farmer ID, name, location, contact info. And other one is parameter. You can see there are 4 parameters. The first one is farmer ID, that is integer, and within the bracket you text box 1. Let's see how to find the name. Open your form. You can see the farmer ID, or press the text box and go to below. There are no, and go to the above. You can see here the name text box 1, and that is the same name. You can see here the second one is also there. This is name is voucher and location is voucher and contact info is voucher. So you don't give your voucher, don't mention here, because default is voucher. You can just type the name of your text box, and you can see the last one message box and show is successfully saved. After I save the data, I got the message successfully saved. Okay. Execute the coding. Here you can see, for an example, I am giving an ID. just 100, and name is John, and location is California, and contact info I'm just giving 000, and after submitting I got the successfully saved message. Okay, let's see. Open your Microsoft SQL and refresh the format table. Here you can see the message is successfully saved. Okay guys, let's see another video. If you learned something new, please subscribe the channel. Bye.